lake. This is the Cedar Lake Nature Trail that we just hiked. I clocked it at 3 miles, almost exactly from where we started there at the trailhead all the way around the lake back to the truck. So yeah, pretty good hike. It's nice and up and down. It's not flat. It's mostly in the wooded area and the woodlands, so it's mostly shady as well. So nice on a day like today where it's going to be up near 90. We got to stay out of the sun for the most part, so that was good. It's a pretty good trail as far as running goes. There is one spot where you actually have to stop and cross the creek on this little raft that you pull yourself across with a rope. But now that we're done hiking, we're gonna eat some lunch. We got some cold noodle salad with some tofu. We're gonna eat by the lake down here and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Probably head over to Winterset City Park, see if we can capture some pictures of the whitetail squirrels, the elusive whitetail squirrel that we've only seen in Winterset. And yeah, wish me luck with that.